Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 blades are making a horrible grinding noise, it could be due to worn-out bearings or misalignment. This issue can affect the performance of your device and, if left unresolved, may lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools including a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and some replacement bearings specific for the TM31 model. Start by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully remove the base of the Thermomix by unscrewing the screws located underneath. Be gentle to avoid damaging any plastic clips. Once you have access to the interior, locate the motor assembly which houses the blades. You may notice that the bearings around the blades are worn out if there's excessive play. Use your pliers to gently pull the blades out of the motor assembly. Take note of how the components fit together to ensure you reassemble them correctly. Replace the old bearings with new ones, ensuring they are properly seated. Be cautious when reinserting the blades as they can be sharp. Tighten the screws carefully, applying just enough force to secure them without stripping the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your Thermomix and do a test run to verify that the noise is gone and the blades are functioning smoothly. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly clean the blades and check for any signs of wear and tear. Avoid overloading the device, as this can cause undue strain on the motor and bearings. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.